Hello. Today, let's talk about the brand new Apple Watch Series 11. Because it's 1 month ago, I got this really nice watch. And let's explain what's going on with that watch. Because this is a real life test by me. Yeah, this is great. I think it's a great watch, of course. Um, the Series 11 is finally here. And it is more than just a sleek accessory, of course. Because this year, Apple has focused entirely on health, connectivity, and endurance. Let's talk about the blood pressure warning, faster 5G, and the battery life that finally lasts all day. It is the upgrade worth it? Maybe? Let's find it out right now. Let's start with, we can see, of course, directly the design. If you're hoping for a radical new look, you might be slightly disappointed. The Series 11 retains the thinner and lighter chassis introduction with the Series 10, but comes with an upgrade of the materials. The new option for titanium is available on the higher-end models, and the Ion X glass on the aluminum version is now said to be twice as scratch resistant, a clear benefit for daily wear. The always-on display is brighter, delivers excellent readability even in direct sunlight with up to 2000 nits. And right. But I think I have the version, and it's not so much lighter than I expected it. But the true game changer is what's under the hood, especially the health features. The feature many have been waiting for is the blood pressure monitoring or the hypertension alert. Of course, the Series 11 is not provided exact systolic and diastolic measurements like a traditional CAF device. Instead, the optical sensor analytics our vascular data over a period of 30 days and proactively warns as if signs of chronically elevated blood pressure or hypertension are detected. This is a massive step forward in preventive healthcare, of course. And in addition, so what? We have the new sleep score. Finally, we get a clear overall rating to our sleep quality. The watch now measures nocturnal heart rate, variability alongside the sleep phases, summarizing everything in a simple, easy to understand score. And all these metrics, from pulse to temperature and breathing rate, are bundled by the Apple in the new Vitals app, an essential daily health check at a glance. Inside, there is the S11 chip working well. It's not only more efficient, which benefit the battery life, but it also ensures a noticeable, smoother performance, apps load faster, and the improved Siri processing respond more quickly to our comments. And the biggest connectivity upgrade is the 5G Red Cap. This is a special energy efficient 5G variant designed specifically for wearables. For us, this means faster, more stable cellular connection, perfect for stream music and making calls. Even if we leave our iPhone at home. This is a real upgrade from the previous LTE standard, of course. And let's talk about the battery. The battery. Thanks to the more efficient chip and the optimization in a Watch Operation System 26, Apple now promises a runtime of up to 24 hours with a normal use. Finally, a true all-day solution that includes overnight sleep tracking. And that's right. Low power mode can stretch that up to 38 hours. And fast charging is retained 80% in only 30 minutes. And let's have a talk about the Watch Operation System 26. The AI-based workout body. This is nice body, eh? This coach gives us a personalized, motivating voice feedback throughout our workout. That means we does not need another body anymore because we have the artificial intelligence. That's good, but it's not good too, eh? But it's good because this gets us more performance. In the upgrade, worth a bit. I think, yes, of course, because of the blood pressure monitoring. If you have an old watch Series 7 or earlier, the Series 11 is a massive upgrade. If you only look for the new health features, battery life, and 5G, yeah. Even for Series 8 and 9 users and 10, the hypertension alert features could be a strong selling point. But this is, of course, up to you. What do you think of the new features? Is the hypertension alert a must have for you? Let me know this in the comments, please, below. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me positive feedback, and I hope see you again on my channel. Soon.